Guys, welcome back to Speaker Now. I'm still your boy Taylor DJ. So today ngifuna senze album review kaDanya Devs. Abanye bazomkhumbula uDanya imember yeBlack Diamond. So keep album entsha ibizwa iV8 and mina I was shocked ukuthi kube uyena keep album qala because uNdu uyena kade keep leading single and iRadio iyona ewelcome but ke album kaDanya iphumile and actually hip hop because I was shocked mangizwe ukuthi okay I think umdeva ugijima kakhulu lapha so ngeke ngambona enze interview lapha ku5FM no Speedster ngizwile album and amabuzz akhona ngempela so I think i-album eyisurprise le because iphume lisaqala onyakeni ngibona nerun indlela bayipromote ngayo like i-rollout yakhona I think izokwenza kahle kakhulu so ngifuna nje ukhaletha lezi ngoma ezimbalwa engiyibonile because ikhona ingoma ethi siphumile ka deleting single la I think i-radio nje i-playlist kuma radio station amaningi asemzansi so ibizwa umuzi weclass I think yona ngoma nje ngathi mangizwa ngayinaka but i-sound yakhona inawo lo shune Black Diamond but ihloya kakhulu ithe kuba funky ine vibe nje ngathi ingoma hip hop. There's also another song ayenze no Casper Nyovest okuyena abantu abaningi abakhuluma ngayo ke le ibizwa ngesitayela I think lapha no Casper ke lo Casper simzwe isafela lapha ngo2014 because urapper ngesiswana lapha I think enye ingoma nayo le ilendile bese ba iV8 lokuyiyona ebizwa ngayo ingoma imfishane nje mhlaphila ku 1 minute 20 per second but I think is strong ibalance le nayo iproduction yakhona insompo kakhulu bathe iproducer uKing Lee omunye umuntu oproducer nje ujulesebenzisana kakhulu noDanya lo so I think lo ngoma leyo insompo idope nayo. There's also another song engizwile inondu angisalikhumbula igama lapha athi inondu le Black Diamond so I think between bona benondu base right ayikho beef nje bahlukene but one thing enginoticile engithusile nayo because uNdube benodanya bane record label ebizwa ngomuthi laba bayivule bese under ambitious so album lena iphuma nga under record label umuthi uyikhiphe under record label yakhe yedwa so ibizwa ngeDolphin FC so I think igame usayistadishile ngempela umjidala I think uRed ngibona even nendlela abamove ngayo there's a tour bekunama listening session abayenze eThekwini baphinde bayenza naseGoli so I think ba ready because ithour ngeke ngabona ama dates ku Cape Town no East London so I think umjido bese ready nje vele ukuthi keep album bengithi mina uNdu uzophuma qala but I think uDanya ube ready nje so nje ngithema ngizwe album ngathi I think le so speaker now I deserve attention no sithathe sisondeze but there's also another song iFamily Anthem. So another song engiyibonile interesting like ingoma iyasambe enye ingoma ethi iphumile nayo bisingle biphume before I think ibalance and masolela album yonke uyayizwa ukuthi album inayo iPTM so leyo ngoma ngithande kakhulu. There's also another one song ebiza nge1 million ya la mjithu semathandweni lapha enye love song ikhona lapha. There's also another love song abayenze noMawelele iOla Sibala I think ngoba kwiValentine ka2025 abantu abaningi yatrenda ngeke ngayibona na ku TikTok ekseni ngenza le video lo ngoma leyo yenza kakhulu and I think ilo ushunike ngempela kweBlack Diamond ke leyo so I think izoyenza ama numbers amaningi eRadweni izoyenza nama numbers amaningi YouTube so nje I think overall album ibalance kakhulu mina as uSpeaker Now I think ngayirate nginikeze u9 out of 10 because bengayilindele album and ibalance production yakhona ibeats inengoma eningi inama features amaningi imarketwe kahle irollout yakhona inswempu kakhulu so shout out to Danya Devs and I think umnambithi ukhuphule ngempela lapha so ayingeke insizwe zasemnambithi ngoshuna I think athinteki lapha so nje album yakhe and I think must classify I think singayiclassify as hip hop. I don't think Afro pop album lena because ingoma zakhona eningi zifunky even nama features kuno Questa kuno Casper Nyovest I think nje album ye hip hop lapha so I think Devs I know so epunzima kakhulu uhamba ngomunye ushuni iDolphin and ngeke ngabona bathengisana nematch album akhona so hopefully mhlawumbe nathi uSpeaker Now Devs ngazizama sikhona nathi sinawo ama email makukhona okungafika hayi sithi umnambithi ophakame so nje I think soyivala lapha ireaction yethu yealbum kaDanya lapha iphumile ibizwa ngeV8. Speaker Now sekhona ku Twitter @Speaker Now esikhona ku TikTok Speaker Now esikhona ku Facebook Speaker Now esikhona ku Twitch Speaker Now everywhere nje away we out.